You don't work on your train layout for a while. Gee, it turns out to be a junkyard. Started to make some headway today. I wonder what I can use in here. Well, this is where I stand at this time. I picked out a couple of structures to put in. Got a rock installed. Let's see what I'll get done today. Got some more done. So I got to complete this area. It's been a while since I worked on this layout. I think I've looked at a bunch of videos lately. And now this has turned into another junkyard. Bummer. And I'll get back into it again someday. Over in this wall, I have a showcase of some cars, but I can't get to it because stuff's in the way. And I'm stacking stuff on top. Oh, look at that. I painted that one out of the Union Pacific. Got those two new. Oh, there's a bad boy. Can't wait to get him on the track. Got some more new cars here. That truck's too big. But, oh boy. Old other style couplers. And the new style couplers. Wow.